How to enable Microsoft Copilot Excel. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to enable Microsoft Copilot Excel. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is to head over to your Excel. But as you can see right here, there's still no Copilot option right here. That is because Copilot is just a new feature and only a selected people should be able to access it. Now let's head over to our browser, and in here you can see that Microsoft 365 Copilot is like an AI assistant on your Microsoft. So you can install it using this right here to the Copilot GitHub, and you can request for access from in there. Now once you have access, Microsoft 365 Copilot will assist users with data analysis in Excel. So it will analyze your data. You can also format the data, create drafts, generate pivot tables, summarize information, and identify any trends. So this is a very helpful thing on Excel. So in here, I have an example. So in here on the right side, you can see the Copilot, and as you can see, the user asked to analyze this quarter's business results and summarize 3 key trends. So it has indeed provided 3 key trends on the data that they have in Excel, and you can also use this explain function in order to explain it more thoroughly and more simpler terms on this Copilot feature. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped to enable Microsoft Copilot Excel. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.